In this video, I want to show you how to turn on your pool heater. In some modes, you'll heat the pool, and in some modes, you'll want to heat the spa. To do so, we simply turn on our filter pump. Our filter pump is what moves the water through our plumbing, and as soon as that water is moving, we'll be able to get a pool temperature reading. The heater will not allow us to enable it unless we have water movement. Now that we have our water movement, we can simply click on the pool heat mode. Once we've selected pool heat, it will ask us what temperature we would like to heat the pool to. We can either leave the value as it is and hit enter, or we can enter in our own new value. At this point, I'm going to change it to 85. Now we're heating our pool, and the pool heater will run until it reaches 85 degrees. At that point, the pool heater will turn on and off as needed to maintain the 85 degrees. Now we have a pool temperature reading. At this point, we'll want to enable our spa mode. During this process, the spa will delay turn on until the spa valves have moved to their correct position. This will go away here shortly, and we will now be circulating the water in just the spa. Once the system is running, our spa temp will come alive. Now we have a spa temperature. This again tells us that our water is moving through the system, and since we're in spa mode, it's just reading the spa temperature. In order to turn on the heater for the spa, we would simply click Spa Heat. Once we've made that selection, it will again ask us what temperature would we like to heat to. In this case, our last setting was 100 degrees, but this time we want to turn it up a little bit. So I'm going to select 102. Now our spa heat has become enabled, and the pool is currently heating the spa. Once our spa has met the temperature that we selected of 102, the spa heater will turn on and off as needed to maintain the 102. I would like to note that your screen may look slightly different than my screen. You can always customize your screen and what you see here on your home page by simply going to Menu and customizing Home. In the event that your screen looks different than mine, you can find all your devices listed under Other Devices. This screen will show all of your devices, and you can do the same commands from this screen. Now let's talk about how to turn off the spa heat or pool heat if we were running the pool heater. The first thing to do is simply click on the spa heat mode, and that's going to turn the spa heater off. There is a delay that takes place here. If I were to click the spa mode off, which would then put the system back into pool mode, the system is going to tell me that it needs to delay. This delay is for the safety of the system. The spa will remain on during cool down mode. What's happening here is the pump is continuing to move the water through the heater to help cool it down. Shutting the pool down and heater off all at one time could damage the heater, so there is a built-in delay. Once that delay has taken place, which is roughly 4 to 5 minutes, the spa mode will then shut off. At that point, the only thing running would be the filter pump. This concludes our session on operating the pool heater.